everyone, welcome back to my channel. It has been almost a month. I can't believe that I am finally back in front of the cameras. I've missed you ladies so much, and I've seen your emails asking where is Nikol, what happened to her, and I just had a lot of travel in November and going through Black Friday and just, you know, everything that just got in the way of being able to do videos, but I'm back in the studio now. So if you are new to my channel, I see a lot of new subscribers. This is a channel about being unapologetic about your beauty, about your hair, about age, and it is just an environment where we can talk beauty and we can get support. And it's a little bit different than most channels on YouTube because I'm not a millennial. I am over 40 and I'm celebrating women of age, and I'm celebrating women that want to look good and feel better and just enhance yourself. It's not about changing who you are. It's about being the best version of yourself. And I'm here to help you and guide you. And I've been gray for about 4 years now, and it's totally life-changing. And I have learned to embrace it. And I am here to basically support you and lead the way to having society not look at us as we're older or we can't do certain things because of our age or gray hair makes you look old. I'm breaking all the rules, ladies, and we're rewriting all the rules. So I have a very exciting announcement today. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe, click the little bell if you want to be notified on my new videos, and also give it a thumbs up if you like videos like this, and share it with your friends, because that's the best way to encourage other women to be able to find great content and encouraging content as we age. And I really appreciate you sharing my videos. All right, so this past year in March, I did a really interesting series that I really didn't think would, you guys asked for it and I listened, and I featured 4 different women, 4 different decades from 50s, 60s, 70s, and 80s, and I named it Fierce Aging because that's what it is. It's about our age not being a factor, about just looking natural and beautiful with simple makeup. It's not about a ton of makeup. It's not about getting overwhelmed. And so it really resonated so well with you. And I was really excited about that. So I've been featuring women along the way since March. And my last video, I worked with Barbara, and she was so much fun. She had such a great personality. She was such a trooper because it was really the first time that I had met her and I was doing her makeup. And I've gotten such a really great response from these videos that I am continuing on this Fierce Aging series, and I'm doing 2 different things, ladies. Okay, so I'm running a casting right now. I want you to send me a selfie. If you are in the South Florida area, I'm going to be doing them here. I'm going to be doing the makeup tutorials here. If you want to be featured on my channel, here in my studio. So if you are in this area, I don't know, maybe you're on vacation and you want to pop in. I'm looking for women that have issues that my audience really has been asking for: hooded eyes, bags, pigmentation, wrinkles, sagging skin. Let's explore these topics together. And I'm looking for women that want to be featured on my channel, women of all ages. And I'm going to just do your makeup like you see that I do with my Fierce Aging series, and it's going to be really fun, and you're going to really help encourage other women. So I can't take everybody, obviously, so I'm asking for you to submit a selfie. The email is below. Everything's in the description box below this video. So if you click on that little, I think it's over on this side, there's a little arrow down. You click on it and it will drop down all the information in the box that's underneath the video. So submit to me and tell me about your beauty challenges. Tell me your age. Give me a great, just selfie picture of yourself. And I'm going to be creating this series, and I'm going to be compiling these women, and it takes a lot of work on my end. So I wanted to start this casting process now. And also in 2020, I'm going to be taking my Fierce Aging on the road. So whether you're in Atlanta, you're in North Carolina, you're in Arizona, I want to hear from you. What city do you think I should go to kick off my Fierce Aging tour? Now, this is really exciting because I've never done this before. I want to see, I know that not everybody can come to South Florida. I know not everybody can come here in the studio, and I want to give my Fierce Aging, my encouragement, my makeup application to women in every city. So we're going to see how that works. Obviously not every city at first, but let's pick a city where we feel like it's the best city that would be to feature when I leave South Florida and I go out and I am exploring other cities and encouraging women and doing makeup and rewriting the rules for women of age. So that is the casting. Again, the email is below the video. I want to see everyone. I want to see women from all different backgrounds, all different types of issues with your beauty. I want to hear your stories. I want to just really have an amazing new collection of Fierce Aging, because with us together, with all of us together doing this, we encourage others. We encourage women that maybe are too shy to basically be on camera, which is fine. Like my mother, she did not want to do it. She was very resistant. She said no the first time I asked her. I was like, okay, I'm ready. I need you because you're in your 70s. I need 70s. And she's like, no, I don't want to do it. I don't feel comfortable. And I was like, wait a second, that was not part of the plan. So, this might be a great opportunity for you to break out of being in the box of being shy, or I don't know if I could do it. You can do it, and you're here with me, and it's going to be fun. So make sure that you just follow the directions below. Submit. We're going to have a great time, ladies. This is going to be really fun. And I cannot wait to hear what city you think I should go to in 2020. It's going to be February. I'm going to be doing the tour in February. So put on your thinking caps and think about where the best place would be for me to start off my tour and to really feature women. And maybe it's a great central location that a lot of people can come in from. I mean, granted, New York City would be great, but again, there's a lot of logistics that go on with a big city like that. So, but it does encompass a lot of other cities that can be easily, get there by transportation, what have you. So let's go, ladies. I cannot wait to see your submissions. And until my next video, I'll see you later.